There comes a point in midlife when we look around and we think, this life that I've created just simply doesn't fit me any longer. It's not that you're failing. In fact, many of the clients that I work with are high performers and high achievers. It's because you've outgrown the person you had to be in the first phase of life. My turning point wasn't dramatic. It was a series of little moments where I realized I was living beside my life and not in my life. That clarity told me it was time to realign one congruent choice at a time. Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist, and this is the Integrity Edit, a 5-month journey of recalibrating my life one choice at a time before entering the next decade of my life. I want you to know midlife isn't a crisis. It's a clarifying season when your soul stops whispering and starts telling you the truth. Now, this can be a very painful process, and it's because we've been misaligned for longer than we possibly have realized. My work comes from a mixed lineage of clinical, philosophical, and narrative thinkers, as well as my own lived experience. From Rogers, Frankel, Jung, and Yalom, to McIntyre, Nussbaum, and Taylor, to trauma thinkers like Herman and van der Kolk, to practical minds like James Clear and Cal Newport, all of it comes down to one idea. Your life should actually fit you. Over the next 5 months, I will be clearing the clutter in my life, examining the stories that shape me, and rebuilding from truth, not pressure. So if you're in a season of outgrowing your old life, you're in the right place. Subscribe to stay connected, and let's build a life that actually fits.